Hello. Welcome to Everything Fact. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.
Scientists took cells from a cow and, at an institute in the Netherlands, turned them into strips of muscle that they combined to make a patty. Researchers say the technology could be a sustainable way of meeting what they say is a growing demand for meat. Professor Mark Post, of Maastricht University, the scientist behind the burger, remarked, "It's a very good start." The professor said the meat was made up of tens of billions of lab-grown cells. Asked when lab-grown burgers would reach the market, he said, "I think it will take a while. This is just to show we can do it." Sergey Brin, the co-founder of Google, has been revealed as the project's mystery backer. He funded the £215,000, $330,000 research. The burger was cooked by chef Richard McJown from Cornwall, and tasted by food critics Hanny Roetzler and Josh Skonwald. Upon tasting the burger, Austrian food researcher Ms. Roetzler said, "I was expecting the texture to be softer. There is quite some intense taste. It's close to meat, but it's not that juicy. The consistency is perfect, but I miss salt and pepper."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.